Good morning, guys. Today we're going to head over to Acadia National Park for a hike. But first, Joe made us a delicious smelling breakfast. Check it out.
We made it out to the Precipice Trail, however you pronounce it, in Acadia National Forest. Time to do a little rock scramble.
Oh yeah.
Good job. First little climb is definitely the test out here. They throw you right into it. This is a great scramble. There we go. Looks like we got a little via.
Yeah, guys, check this out.
No rails? No problem. Totally fine. Up and over. Not dangerous.
Guys, we made it to the summit. It was a tough climb, but it was really cool.
Yeah, super fun. Well, we made the summit. Now it's time for the climb back down. What we did though is take the harder way first, so it's going to be a little easier on the way down. The first way was like 1,000 feet of elevation and like a half to a mile, and it was mostly vertical rungs and lots of stairs.
Oh yeah.
Made it out, back on the road.
Made it out.
Going back to the truck. After a really strenuous hike, we decided to reward ourselves by going to Bangor, Maine and hitting up one of their local breweries. The place was fantastic, the food was awesome, and we enjoyed the rest of the day there. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell so you know when our latest videos are coming out, and we'll see y'all in the next one.